Welcome back to Professional Tutors, the British online school. We're a team of dedicated and qualified teachers here to help you to reach your potential. Today's lesson, we're going to look at multiples and factors. In the last video, we've learned about multiples. In this video, we're going to look into factors. Let's have a look at this question here. How many ways can 12 dots be arranged in rows of equal length? You might want to draw them in your books. Now that's one way of drawing the dots. That's another way, 2 times 6, and that's the third way, 3 times 4. So these are the 3 possible ways in which 12 dots can be arranged in rows of equal lengths. Just have a look at what are factors. So an integer that can divide another integer without leaving a remainder is called a factor. Now these here, 2, 6, 3, 4, 1, and 12, these are all the factors of 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. Now factor books can be a useful way to represent the factors because it's easy to pair them up. So if we have to draw a factor book for 12, the way you're going to draw it is going to be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Now here are some questions for you to answer. Can we draw these factor books? And can we draw the factor books of these questions here? And we want to write all the factors. But these 2 questions here are very interesting. So this question here, when the factor books have an odd number of legs, what does that tell us about the number? The second question is, when the factor books have only 2 legs, what does that tell us about the number? Pause the video, answer the questions. Let's mark these questions here. These are the factor books for these 2 numbers, 18 and 24. And these are the factors of these numbers. Let's have a look at these 2 questions here. So when the factor books have an odd number of legs, so a value with an odd number of factors is always a square number. And a value with only 2 factors is going to be a prime number. If you don't know what prime numbers are, go back and watch our video on prime numbers. Now here are some more questions for you to give a go. So a multiple of 10. Now these questions are based on both factors and multiples. Pause the video and try to solve them. Now here are the answers for you to mark. Hopefully they'll be correct. If anything is wrong, go back and watch the video again. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to stay connected.